Can we launch the Revuelto SV before Lamborghini does? Hey guys, how are you doing? So the Revuelto SV was launched. We even did a quick preview video, so feel free to check this out. It should be one of the previous videos. And we've started, so we have not been lazy playing around. We started to use our existing 3D scans. We had basically a lot of pictures, even some moving videos from the spy car that Lamborghini had going around. And in the previous video, we isolated that definitely the front bumper and the rear wing spoiler is brand new. So that's what we've been focusing on. We have not really started on the front bumper design yet, only some sketches. But in this video, let's have a look at the rear wing. So the existing rear base spoiler does have some additional rear vents. We also have not really started too much on this one yet. This one here is an STL preview. For your information, STL is a format that is also used when we do 3D scans, but it's not something that we can use for production. So think of it like a 3D sketching. But what we did start is we started with the wing and also the two attachments. So here I show you the wing spoiler a little bit. It has exactly the shape as we saw it on the spy shots. And here are the two attachments, or as we call it, the wing brackets, the legs that hold the wing to the car. Now we cannot be 100% sure that these will exactly look like this, but the beautiful thing is, since we always use CNC'd aluminum brackets recently, we are very free to change them anytime later. And I do think that we are 100% sure on what the wing looks like. There should not be any big changes coming on the wing. So we're going to start on the wing. We're going to make this in carbon fiber now that the wing design is ready. And later, if the brackets underneath should change, we can just easily adopt a new design, since these are just quickly CNC'd from aluminium in a day or two. What we did, however, make a mistake on, and let me show you this here. If I put this now on the car, we made a little bit oversized specs. But that's why it's important to test your designs, right? So luckily we do have the authentic 3D scan of the Revuelto. So when we added the initial design, let me show it to you right here. You see, oh, this is way too big, way too high. Let's say too wide. It's actually over pointing out of the car. So I made a little sketch here. This is what it should look like. It should be more like going maximum of the car width. And also as a general rule of thumb, Lamborghini usually does the height of its wing spoilers maximum to the roof. But feel free to let me know in the comments down below, what do you think we should do? If you compare this with the spy shots on the internet, do you think we are on the right track here or not? So I do believe this is correct. So the next thing to tackle now would be the base spoiler. But we will already start with the rear wing. I'll tell you why. Because if someone wants to do the rear wing without the base spoiler, that's already possible, right? So we will make this that it fits on the general Revuelto. So you can attach this wing spoiler on the Revuelto with the regular rear base that does not have these extra additional vents. And then the next step, once we finish the base, we will offer this one as well. And only after that, we're going to tackle the front bumper. I also do believe that the rear bumper should have some changes coming. Let's see, in the spy shots we saw, it really looked like it's only the front bumper and the rear wing, aka with the rear base. But I do believe that the Lamborghini will not only keep it at that level, there should be some more changes coming on later on. But you know what? We're going to be ready, and this is an exciting journey. Subscribe for more to get updates on this project. Wouldn't be amazing if we launched the first Revuelto SV before Lamborghini? And of course, you know, SV means Spezialversion. If you have been following DMC for a while, I know at Lamborghini it means Super Veloce. So we're not going to come into any trouble there. Also, our design is going to be improved. Yeah, that's a nicer word for different. We don't want to copy anything. So and in the end of the day, of course, once the actual SV launches, we're also going to be making another kit for that car as well. So right now what we're actually working on, let's call it a facelift. That's what we've been doing in the past, and really can't wait to read your comments down below. Once more, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think we did right, what we need to improve on, what we did wrong, and I'll see you in the next video. The DMC Live.